Hey guys, welcome back to eGate Tutor. In this video, we will look into the changes in Electronics and Communication Engineering syllabus for GATE 2021. In the section Networks, Signals and Systems, from the existing syllabus, the topics which were deleted are Digital Filter Design Techniques. In the section Electronic Devices, there are few more topics which are deleted, which are Integrated Circuit Fabrication Process, including Oxidation, Diffusion, Ion Implantation, Photolithography and Twin-Tube CMOS processes. In the section Analog Circuits, small signal equivalent circuits of diodes, BJT and MOSFETs were not specifically mentioned in the new syllabus, but these will be required for the frequency analysis. That is to be noted. Apart from that, there were few topics which were added in GATE 2021, which are current mirrors, differential amplifiers, and there were few topics which are deleted from analog circuit section. They are voltage reference circuits, power supplies, ripple removal and regulation. In the section of digital circuits, for GATE 2021, the number representations are specifically mentioned this year compared to the last year syllabus of GATE. So those number representations include binary, integer and floating point numbers, propagation delay, setup and hold time and critical path delay. Those are to be noted while preparing. Apart from that, there is a completely new topic which is added to the section digital circuits, which is computer organization. It includes machine instructions and addressing modes, ALU, data path and control unit, instruction pipelining. Apart from that, there is a topic deleted from digital circuits section, which is 8-bit microprocessor 8085. It includes its architecture, programming, memory and IO interfacing. Coming to the section of control systems, there were no topics added and there were no topics deleted from the existing syllabus. So the syllabus remains same for the control systems section. From the section of communications, there is one topic which is added, which is CRC, which is cyclic redundancy check. So that is to be noted. That is a topic which is added for this section. And there are few topics deleted from communications section, which include timing and frequency synchronization, basics of TDMA, FDMA and CDMA. In the section of electromagnetics, coming to the syllabus according to GATE 2020, it was generalized as antenna arrays, but this time it was specifically mentioned as linear antenna arrays. So that is also to be noted. And the topics deleted in electromagnetics are electrostatics and basics of radar. So these are the changes in electronics and communication engineering syllabus for GATE 2021. Thank you for watching the video guys. Please like, share and subscribe to eGate Tutor.